Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download BillEase application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your App Store to get started. Once you get to your App Store homepage, go to the search box at the top and type in BillEase. In the search result, look for the application that says BillEase, Buy Now, Pay Later. Tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application on your iPhone. Also, make sure to log into your Apple ID by entering your Apple ID and your password, or simply log in using your Face ID on your iOS device. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a few minutes. BillEase is a mobile application that offers buy now, pay later services in the Philippines. It allows users to purchase items from online merchants and pay for them in installments. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on the open button and there you have downloaded BillEase application. Allow necessary permission for the app and get started by tapping on the next button and following through the prompts. So that is how you can easily download BillEase application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.